Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase to trade crypto using an easy method. First, you will need to create and verify your Coinbase account. This process typically takes only a few minutes. Once verified, link a bank account or debit card to fund your purchases. This allows for quick and secure transactions. Then, you are ready to explore the platform and begin your trading journey. Buying cryptocurrency on Coinbase is straightforward. You can choose from over 250 supported cryptocurrencies. Simply select the asset you wish to acquire, then specify your preferred payment method, like a linked bank account or debit card. Always review the transaction details, including any associated fees, before confirming your buy order. Your new crypto will then appear in your portfolio almost instantly, ready for you to manage. Selling your cryptocurrency on Coinbase is just as simple as buying. Navigate to your portfolio and select the crypto you wish to sell. You can enter a specific amount or choose to sell a percentage of your holdings. Then, select your preferred payout method, usually a linked bank account. After confirming the sale, the funds will typically be transferred to your account within 1 to 3 business days, making it very convenient. Managing your crypto portfolio on Coinbase offers several helpful tools. You can monitor your investments with real-time price charts and performance data. Consider setting up recurring buys to dollar-cost average your investments, which can be a smart long-term strategy. Also, explore Coinbase Earn to learn about new cryptocurrencies and earn rewards. For enhanced security, you might also consider using Coinbase Wallet for self-custody of your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.